As the world's only island continent, Australia has a unique relationship to the sea. It features in our national anthem and has always been an integral part of our national identity, our culture and our economy. Every year, the sea provides a wealth of high-quality food products for more than 90% of Australians and yields over $1 billion of revenue. The seafood industry is Australia's sixth most valuable food-based primary industry. Although the tonnage is small by international standards, the sector produces a wide range of high-quality, high-value products, most of which are considered world-class. Australia is recognised internationally as having some of the best managed fisheries in the world. The industry provides direct and indirect employment for some 80,000 people all around Australia. Nationally, consumption of seafood is increasing, up from 13 kilos per annum in the early 1990s to a projected 20 kilos per person per annum by 2020. This very success of the seafood industry brings with it serious challenges to its long-term future. Australian seafood producers currently export about 40% by volume of their product and supply only about 40% of domestic demand. By 2020, it's estimated they will supply less than 25% of domestic demand unless local supplies are lifted. The seafood industry has a production culture that is not strongly focused on consumer requirements. Profitability throughout the value chain is being jeopardised by underinvestment, rising costs, inconsistent approaches to product quality, ill-defined value chains, and consumers' resistance to rising prices. Although seafood's role in a healthy diet is becoming increasingly evident, direct causal links need to be substantiated between improved health outcomes and the consumption of seafoods of various types and qualities, especially to meet FSANZ standards for food labelling. Other challenges include the lack of investment in our people and in educating consumers about the pleasures of eating lesser-known species. All of these challenges can be overcome more effectively and more swiftly through an Australian Seafood Cooperative Research Centre. The CRC will be a catalyst for effective and enduring solutions. It will make a significant contribution to national economic growth, as well as the industrial and commercial growth of the Australia seafood industry. In its first 7 years, the CRC will add more than $2.4 billion to the national economy and generate about 2,800 new jobs, 2/3 of which will be in rural and regional areas. The Centre's research activities will be practical and applicable, focused on the specific needs of the end users of the research. The Centre will become a leading provider of training and education for the seafood industry, tertiary institutions, vet and schools. Initially, the CRC will embark on 3 major programs. Program 1 will focus on value chain profitability. It will cover the entire seafood supply chain, from production through to the consumer, focusing on the profitable delivery of seafood products to national and international markets. Program 2 will focus on product quality and integrity by developing technologies to meet consumer expectations for safe, high-quality, nutritious Australian seafood. It will help ensure continued access to world premium markets. It will include traceability technologies, new quality measures and risk management strategies to ensure that new products and processes are not restricted by market access barriers. Program 3 will focus on the health benefits of seafood. Strong links have been made between seafood consumption and positive effects on a range of diseases and conditions. By increasing consumers' recognition of the health benefits of Australian seafood, this program will increase demand. It will bring together Australian clinical nutrition and functional food experts to research critical areas such as the clinical nutrition of seafood, nutrigenomics, allergens and seafood intolerance. Other programs include education and training to develop the capabilities of researcher and industry participants, and commercialisation and utilisation to ensure research outcomes are commercialised and taken up by end users. The CRC will also develop technologies to meet consumer expectations, provide reliable information about the quality characteristics of seafood, and educate the public about new species. This last objective is crucial because at present some fisheries don't land a significant portion of the fish they catch simply because there is no market for those varieties. Research outcomes from the CRC will make significant contributions to a range of national research priority goals, particularly those relating to health, by pursuing links between seafood consumption and better health and well-being. With the benefits of a research centre so clearly evident, the CRC has engaged the enthusiastic support of the industry's leading participants, a large number of research organisations and a number of government agencies in all states. A cooperative research centre is the way ahead for Australia's seafood industry. It will become the catalyst for a new wave of innovation and profitability.